built like a tank, powered like a rocket. MSI B850 Gaming Plus is the motherboard that doesn't play. Sick of your PC crawling like it's stuck in 2012? Feeling the rage every time your rig chokes under pressure, crashes mid-game, or bottlenecks your brand new GPU like it's punishing you for dreaming big? You're not alone. Most gamers and creators are shackled by old chipsets, outdated RAM limits, and weak sauce VRMs. Your dreams of dominating with a Ryzen 9000 or flexing PCIe 5.0 are constantly squashed by underpowered, overhyped boards. Lag spikes? Crippling. Boot loops? Infuriating. Upgrade paths? Non-existent. If your motherboard feels more like a mood killer than a game changer, you've officially outgrown your setup. And just when you thought you could push through, here comes the deadline, the tournament, the big stream, and bam! Your system thermal throttles like it's scared of success. Your memory can't clock higher than your Wi-Fi, your M.2 overheats like it's roasting marshmallows, and let's not even talk about janky USB ports or mystery BIOS bugs. Burnout hits harder when your gear can't keep up. You're rebooting instead of recording, fiddling with firmware instead of fragging. It's not just performance, it's your peace of mind that's getting wrecked. You're not playing for fun anymore, you're troubleshooting for survival. Meet your silicon savior. The MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. This beast is born for Ryzen 9000 domination, with PCIe 5.0x16, Wi-Fi 7, 5G LAN, and 8200 plus megatransfers per second DDR5 memory boost that slaps lag into the void. It's stacked with a 12 Duet rail power system, a Gen 5 M.2 with EZ Shield Frozr 2, and a steel-armored GPU slot ready to bench press your RTX 5090 without flinching. Everything's cooled, overclock ready, and built with military-grade PCB. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or tech sorcerer, this Mobo doesn't just support your hustle, it supercharges it with brutal elegance. It's time to stop tweaking and start winning. The MSI B850 Gaming Plus delivers plug-and-play power, DIY-friendly setup, and ultra-efficient cooling that keeps your rig icy under pressure. Triple M.2 slots? Covered. 7.1 HD audio? Blasts. USB 10 gigabits per second Type-C? Locked in. Whether you're rendering in 4K, speedrunning in Ultra, or chasing frame-perfect edits, this board says go harder. With intuitive BIOS, easy clipping, and future-ready AM5 support, this isn't just a motherboard, it's your backstage pass to peak productivity and flawless gaming flow. It's finally your turn to be the one running the lobby. Why keep limping along with hardware that can't hang? The MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi isn't a maybe, it's the obvious upgrade your system's been begging for. Unleash Ryzen 9000 power, surf Wi-Fi 7 like a beast, and stream like a god, all from a board that's built like a tank and purrs like a Ferrari. No gimmicks. Just raw, unapologetic performance. So quit flirting with mediocrity, click that Buy Now button and give your rig the respect it deserves. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a glow-up for your entire setup. And it starts now.